Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson triangle and its properties. Now coming to the worksheet 4, which is dealing with the Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse of the right triangle, means right angle triangle, is 17 centimeter long. So it is 17 centimeter long. If one of the remaining two sides is 8 centimeter, let this be 8 centimeter, find the third side. Now first draw the right angle triangle and then give the name ABC. If it is right angled at B, AC will be the hypotenuse, isn't it? So right, what are all given? Hypotenuse is given 17 centimeter, one side is 8 centimeter, find the other side. So first we will write given in right angled triangle, according to the figure, in right angled triangle ABC, AB is equal, AC, hypotenuse AC is equal to 17 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter. They have asked you to find out the third side. Which is the third side here? It is AB. Solution. Every time you have to write these two statements in right angled triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse, here it is AC, square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC squared is given, that is 17 square is equal to AB squared we don't know, plus BC square 8 square. Now 17 square, when you multiply, you will get 289. 15 squared is 225 and 17 square multiply and see, it will be 289 is equal to AB squared plus 8 squared is 64. So AB squared, if you keep it there, 289, 64, when you take it to the other side, it will be minus. So that means AB squared is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. Then 8 minus 6 is a 2 and 2. So AB square 225. Whose square it is? 15 square. That means AB is equal to 15. Hope you are understanding this. So if you get AB squared a square, then write whose square is it. Then cancel the squares, write only the base. So answer, it is length of the third side is 15 centimeter. You have to write whether it is meter or centimeter. Hope you understood. So hypotenuse is given, the other side they have asked. So how to find out? You have to subtract. Okay. Now second question, the length of the hypotenuse. Again, length is given, length of the hypotenuse, that is 13 centimeter. If you take A, B, C, right angle triangle, it is right angled at B, hypotenuse is AC, opposite to B, 13 centimeter one side, that is 5 centimeter, find the other side, same as the earlier one. So given in right angled triangle ABC, hypotenuse AC is equal to 13 centimeter, then BC is given as 5 centimeter. To find the third side, that is AB, solution, again write in right angled triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. You should be confident of this. When you complete this worksheet, you have to be confident of this formula. Pythagoras theorem, what is it? Hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse is 13, so 13 squared is equal to AB square, you don't know, BC squared, that is 5 square. So it is 13 square is 169, AB squared write as it is, 5 square is 25, AB square keep it on the right side, 169 plus 25 now becomes minus 25. So AB square is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4 and 1. So AB square 144 किसका square है? 12 square. So therefore AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Understood? Answer, length of the other side is 12 centimeter. Hope you are confident of these two sums. Now coming to the third sum, the length of the two sides of a right triangle are equal. So draw the right angle triangle. So give the name A, B, C. Right angled at B. The two sides of a right triangle are equal. Means other than the hypotenuse, two sides are equal. तभी ऐसे मार्क करने का equal के लिए. Now the square of the hypotenuse is given. They have not given the hypotenuse directly. They gave square of the hypotenuse. So remember this is 800. Find the length of each side of the triangle. So write given in right angled triangle ABC, hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equal to 800 centimeter square. It's given like that. Now two sides are equal, that means AB is equal to BC is equal to, you don't know, let it be x centimeter. जब भी दो साइड दिया नहीं जाता है, इक्वल है, तभी उसको x ऐसे लेने का है. नाउ टू फाइंड ईच साइड मीन्स व्हाट इज AB, व्हाट इज BC. सो इक्वल साइड्स का लेंथ फाइंड आउट करने का है. सॉल्यूशन इन राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल ABC by Pythagoras theorem hypotenuse AC squared is equal to AB square plus BC square. Already square is given 800. Don't write 800 square. Already 800 is the square. Now AB square x square plus BC square x square. Why AB and BC are x? That means 800 is equal to x squared 2x squared. So x square is equal to 800 divided by 2. हाँ है ना, 2x square is equal to 800. So x square will be 800 upon 2, that is 400. Now x square is equal to 400, that is x squared is equal to 400 किसका स्क्वायर है? 20 का. 2 square is 4, 1 0 2 0. Already I have told you like this, isn't it? So 400 is the square of 20. So x is equal to 20. आपको वैल्यू मिला x का. So answer, the length of two sides, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to x is 20 centimeter. Hope you understood this. जब भी दो साइड इक्वल है और उसका वैल्यू नहीं दिया है, उसको फाइंड आउट करने को बोले हैं, तभी वो दोनों साइड को आप लोग x लेने का है. फिर आगे सेम मेथड, x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो और लिखो. Now coming to the fourth sum, little bit different. The two poles of the heights 6 meter and 11 meter, they stand on a plain ground. अभी ये ग्राउंड है. अभी सोचो दो पोल्स AB and CD are the two poles. अभी एक पोल का 6 मीटर और दूसरे का 11 मीटर. If the distance between their feet, मतलब दोनों पोल्स के फीट नीचे ग्राउंड में कितना डिफरेंस है? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम इज 12 मीटर. नाउ फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टॉप्स, मीन्स ए और सी का डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने का है. समझ में आया? सो दो पोल्स दिए हैं ए बी एंड सी डी, और नीचे ग्राउंड में उनका डिस्टेंस कितना है? इट इज बी डी इज इक्वल टू 12 मीटर. छोटे वाले का 6 मीटर है, बड़े वाले का 11 मीटर है लेंथ. और हमें द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टॉप्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. इसके लिए आपको एक्स्ट्रा, क्योंकि इट इज ऐसे 4 साइड का फिगर मिला, आपको कोई कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो कैसे फाइंड आउट करने का. तो इसके लिए पहले क्या करने का है? ये ड्रॉ CE पैरेलल टू BD, EC पैरेलल टू BD. सो पैरेलल करेंगे तो ये 12 मीटर है तो ये भी 12 मीटर होगा, क्योंकि ये रेक्टेंगल मिला हमें, अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल आर इक्वल. सो ये 12 मीटर, ये भी 12. अभी ये 6 मीटर है तो ये भी बना 6 मीटर, ई भी 6 मीटर. लेकिन अभी ये AE कितना होगा? टोटल 11 है तो ये 6 है, तो ये बनेगा 11 माइनस 6, दैट इज 5 मीटर, है ना. AE बनेगा 5 मीटर. अभी आप देखो इधर एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल मिला. क्यों? इधर 90 डिग्री, ये पोल और इसका ग्राउंड तो 90 डिग्री है, ये लाइन इसके लिए पैरेलल है तो ये भी 90 डिग्री बनेगा. सो E is 90 degree, so you got a right angle triangle. अभी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का ये मिला 12 मीटर, ये साइड मिला 5 मीटर, तो हाइपोटेन्यूज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. अंडरस्टूड? सो फर्स्ट यू कंस्ट्रक्ट, you have to get one right angle triangle. That's all. Now first you will write what are all given. Given pole AB is equal to 11 meter and pole CD is equal to 6 meter, है ना. अभी डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन the foot of the two poles is equal to 12 meter. Now to find this is BD, to find the distance between their tops. According to the alphabet, it is AC. Now solution. First of all, draw EC parallel. This is the symbol for parallel to BD. Therefore, EC is equal to BD is equal to 12 meter. EC is equal to BD is equal to 12 meter. Now AE के पहले EB is equal to CD is equal to 6 meter. Therefore, EB is equal to CD is equal to 6 meter. Therefore, AE is equal to AB full minus EB. That is 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 meter. Understood? So पहले जो भी मेजरमेंट्स है वो लिखे लेने का. अभी you got now right angle triangle. Now you write in right angled triangle AEC. What are all you got? AE is equal to 5 meter, EC is equal to 12 meter. Now you have to find out AC is equal to how much, isn't it? So you'll write by Pythagoras theorem what is it? AC squared is equal to AE squared plus EC squared. This is hypotenuse now, AC. Now AE is 5 square plus EC is 12 square. You got 25 plus 12 square is 144. So it will be AC squared is equal to 4 plus 5, 9, 2 plus 4, 6 and 1. So AC squared 169 is of 13. So therefore AC is equal to 13 meter. Answer: distance between their tops. Between the tops of two poles is 13 meter. Hope you understood. First, draw two poles, write the measurement and the distance between them 12 meter. Then draw EC parallel to BD. Then you get the measurements. EC is equal to BD is equal to 12 meter. Then ED is equal to CD is equal to 6 meter, because the opposite sides of the rectangle. Now you find out AE is equal to AB minus EB, that is 11 minus 6, that is by 5. Now you got this triangle, right angle triangle AEC. So you got EC 12 meter, AE 12 meter, AE 5 meter. Find out AC by Pythagoras theorem. Hope you understood all the 4 sums of this worksheet 4, Pythagoras theorem. Is it clear? Bye. Thank you. All the best.